We got a 1989 F-250 lifted. We just did true duals on it into 6-inch tips, 2 1/4. We're too busy to record the bottom of it, so we'll let you guys hear it because that's all that matters at the end. Go ahead. Oh, so much better. God, this thing screams. Wow, again? Your sound decibels, like one more time. 122 on the sound decibels, man. That's loud. Go ahead. Loud. Looks good too. You'll see it on the channel in about a week, 2 weeks, around there. That's awesome, man. Enjoy it. Forward. Imagine the cold start. Oh, it's gonna be so loud. All right, guys. Ford F-250 beast of a truck. They don't make them like this no more. Don't you guys agree? Let me know in the comments. Hope you guys like it.